what is going on? And guess what? I got a letter. My very first overseas letter from Ireland. Yes, sir. Letter from Ireland. And I want to see what it says. It's from my friend over in Ireland. He's a YouTuber. He goes by the name of Moore's Wanderer. Sent me a letter, and I want to know what's in the letter. Actually, I know some of what's in the letter because he had a little contest, and this is, I guess, this is what I won in the contest, and I just want to share it with you guys. So, let me grab some scissors here and see what's in the letter. Oh yeah, this is the very first correspondence or letter or whatever I ever received from overseas. From Europe or anywhere overseas. I'm not trying to think that plot and whatnot. Oh, and I'm representing too. Check it out. Representing with my Irish shirt. Yes, sir. And my Irish hat. It is if you're from Ireland, you would understand. It's a Hannah hat. Yep, and this is straight from Ireland too. I ordered this through probably like eBay or something like that. I want to go to Ireland and go to Hannah Hats and actually buy one from the establishment itself. Alright, let's continue opening this mail. Alright, things out of there. Got myself a paper towel, tape. Oops, I could rip right into it. Let's be neat about this. Let's be neat. Alright, here's what it says. It says, hey Jerry, hearty congratulations on your 3rd place in my geocaching giveaway. There were 25 entries in total. Happy geocaching. What a fabulous hobby this is. Enjoy your Munzie also. Yeah, Munzie's pretty fun. Do that occasionally. Well, can't do that every day because I got a Munzie a day to finish my 365 days. It's just one of those challenges, you know. So, got a nice little note from him. Thanks, Scott, or Mr. Scott. Alright, here's what I got. Right here. Let's see if you can get that over here. Does that work like this? Hang on. This is the first I haven't done this before. It's like that on the front. And on the back. This is going to take some practice. It is a half penny, I believe is what it is. Yeah. It's a half penny, and 1965, that was a good year, and it's got this cool ship. Speaking of ships, my son's in in Pirates of the Penzance, a pirate play. And I got, a really cool, like on my shirt, I got a shamrock here, boom, right there. I got a nifty, good luck shamrock geocoin. Awesome. You know what? I'm going to hang on to this one, and this is going to be, maybe I'll make a necklace out of it. There's a hole right there. So I'll make a necklace out of this lucky shamrock. Sounds like a good plan. And then I'll have my lucky geocaching geocoin that can travel around with me and give me luck in finding those geocaches. Alright, anyway, that's it. That's my very first mail from across the seas. Very good. Hey, anyway, thank you for watching, you guys, and have yourself a lucky day. Go out and find some geocaches. May the luck of the Irish be with you. And I say, see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Hey, don't forget, subscribe. I'll put my subscribe will be right. Nope, it'll be right there. I'll put my subscribe right there. And you know what? I'm gonna put Moore's Wanderer right up over here. So if you want to check out his channel, you can too. And I will see you guys later. Cheers. Well, this is a pretty cool coin.